Limited counter-strike. Israel abandoned plans for a more extensive counter on Iran after diplomatic pressure from the US and other allies. The Iranian assault on Israeli soil was thwarted, leading Israel to opt for a more limited strike to avoid escalation. Israel demonstrated the breadth and sophistication of its military arsenal without entering Iranian airspace. Attack details. Israel fired missiles from aircraft positioned west of Iran, hitting an anti-aircraft battery in central Iran. Small attack drones quadcopters were used to confuse Iranian air defenses. Israel intentionally destroyed a second missile to minimize damage. Before we proceed with the news and facts, please like and subscribe the channel to continue to receive such informative videos. Thank you. Iran's response. Iran had privately signaled its intention to respond with a major strike on Israel, its first direct attack on Israeli soil. Israel's defenses, coordinated with allies, took down most of Iran's missiles and drones. An early morning phone call between Netanyahu and Biden influenced Israel's decision not to escalate further, reduced risk of escalation. Israel's attack focused on small drones, and Iranian officials largely avoided blaming Israel for the assault. Israel's decision not to claim responsibility helped reduce the risk of further escalation. President Biden, with the British and German foreign ministers, counseled Israeli Benjamin Netanyahu to avoid and prevent a war. Israel instead choose for a very limited strike that would not cause any significant damage, diminishing the likelihood of an escalation immediately even for a limited period of time.